Ever pondered over what border clearance documentation is and why it's so crucial? Well, we're about to delve into it. Border clearance documentation, simply put, is the process of clearing goods through customs for import and export. It involves a myriad of forms and permits that ensure goods meet the standards and regulations of the importing or exporting country. Now, let's dissect the border clearance documentation process for various types of freight, starting with trucking freight. Trucking freight primarily involves land borders. The process typically includes a commercial invoice, packing list, and a bill of lading, which is a legal document between the shipper and carrier detailing the type, quantity, and destination of the goods being carried. Then we have ocean freight. This mode of transport requires more detailed documentation due to the vast distances covered and the number of countries potentially involved. The documentation includes everything required for trucking freight, plus additional documents such as a shipper's export declaration, a bill of lading specific to ocean freight, and possibly a fumigation certificate, depending on the goods and destination country. Now, let's take to the skies with air freight. While the documentation for air freight is similar to ocean freight, it has its unique requirements. For instance, an airway bill replaces the bill of lading. It's a receipt issued by an international airline for goods and an evidence of the contract of carriage. Air freight may also require a security declaration due to the heightened security measures in air transport. So, how does technology come into play here? Well, companies like Mandli Technologies provide digital solutions to streamline the documentation process. They offer platforms that automate and simplify the creation, management, and submission of all the necessary documents, saving businesses precious time and reducing human error. In a nutshell, the border clearance documentation process is a crucial step in the import-export business, ensuring that goods move legally and safely across borders. It varies depending on the mode of freight, trucking, ocean, or air, with each having its unique set of documents and requirements. And thanks to digital solutions, this complex process is becoming more manageable and efficient. So, the next time you see a truck on the highway, a ship on the horizon, or a plane in the sky, remember the intricate process that took place to get those goods on their way. And that, my friends, is the story of border clearance documentation.